The speed with which we are watching this market deteriorate.
The worst day on Wall Street since the crash of 1987.
Leadership or offered environmentally friendly policies and technology. We see this time and time again from BlackRock. They do something that seems like they're moving in the right direction. Instead, that gun manufacturers should do more to protect the lives of the American people. So these companies about improving safety, but so far, so does its engagement with authoritarian governments. Or unknowingly, given BlackRock money, self-imposed mandates to help reduce that over time.
Releasing its numbers this morning, shares are down about 1.2%. About expectations, it's all about
around that business, but seems to be growing.
Are you curious about generating passive income through automated trading on Bybit? I've got something interesting to share, and it's completely free. Click on the link below to follow along with my trades, and you won't even need to sit in front of your computer all day. You can also take a look at my monthly trading earnings, which I'm sharing openly by clicking the link in the description. It's all about making financial gains at your own pace. Check it out.
PayPal, one of the largest financial institutions in the world, is formally joining the cryptocurrency industry. Additionally, they have made a few remarks that are incredibly optimistic for SHIB holders. The year's biggest news story is this one. You should watch this if you own any SHIB tokens or have any interest in Shiba Inu. What recent news is there regarding Shiba Inu coins? And how will all of this impact the Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. For this video, I did a lot of research. Thus, in order to avoid missing anything, make sure to watch through to the very conclusion. Let's examine the chart and see what happens to the Shiba price on November 14th. The cost of a Shiba Inu is currently about 848 units. Shiba is now 4% less expensive, with $212 million in 24-hour trading volume during the past 24 hours. The token is now the 20th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market cap of more than $4.9 billion. Please remember that by the time you watch this video, some prices may have changed. This is not investment advice. Japanese dog integration of Shibarium, a new chapter for SHIB holders. The principal developer of the well-known cryptocurrency project Shiba Inu is the alias Shitoshi Kazama. Important details about the incorporation of the Shibarium Shiba Inu layer into the blockchain with centralized exchanges have been recently revealed by him. There are active talks about exchange integration and expansion plans for Shibarium. Usama responded to a question from a community member on a Phony Barians Telegram group by stating that the team is actively interacting with new partners to help integrate Barians into centralized exchange systems. This shows that Shiba Inu is taking a calculated risk by expanding the utility and accessibility of shoe bars within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Positive emotions have been generated among the Shiba Inu community by the community's joyful reaction to Psalm's disclosure. Members of the community have shown their delight on social media through a variety of emojis. This response demonstrates how the community anticipates Shibari growth and how it might affect the uptake and usage of the network. Shibarium overcomes early obstacles, achieving a remarkable performance and adoption milestone since its mid-August launch after months of intensive development. After experiencing a technical setback, Shibarium was quickly relaunched on August 28. The network has shown strong performance, statistics, and accomplishments while operating without any hiccups. According to Shibarium scan statistics, around 4 million transactions have been made on the platform. With over 1.2 million addresses, the network has generated over 1.6 million blocks in total. These astounding figures highlight Shibarium's potential as a blockchain network with great performance. Shibarium broadens the scope of its interaction with top wallets and exchanges. Remarkably, the Turkish cryptocurrency exchange Bitcoin Tree has already integrated with Shibarium, allowing for network-wide deposits and withdrawals. GrowthX, an Australian-based cryptocurrency exchange, also revealed aspirations to integrate beyond exchanges. A promising future for the network is indicated by the attention Shibarium has received from major crypto projects, such as the integration with a non-custodial decentralized wallet, the future outlook, the ongoing discussions for Shibarium's integration with centralized exchanges, and the growing interest from various crypto projects and platforms. If Shibarium's growth and uptake are successful, Shiba Inu's standing in the digital asset market might be greatly improved, providing a more adaptable and user-friendly platform for consumers everywhere. Shibarium is still developing, and it is becoming more and more clear that it has the ability to change the cryptocurrency market and encourage wider blockchain usage. It would be very appreciated if you continued to watch. Please hit the like button. It doesn't cost anything and greatly aids in channel support. However, keep an eye out for updates and what the future may hold for the Shiba Inu coin to learn about the most recent developments. Shiba Inu is preparing for a price surge of 12%. Shiba Inu is exhibiting indications of a bullish breakout, which can cause a 12% increase in price. The Shiba Inu daily chart, a classic sign of bullish momentum, shows a steady uptrend reinforced by a string of higher highs and lowers. Shib may be about to hit a new high based on the pattern that the recent price movements have traced, which indicates that there is still room for growth. Shib is presently in a strong uptrend, according to technical analysis, with its price trading above both the 50-day and 100-day moving averages, which serve as dynamic support levels. This alignment usually means that there is a lot of bullish activity in the market, supporting the existing price and acting as a springboard for more gains. Relative Strength Index is neither oversold nor overbought, and it is now trading at a steady level. Shib has potential to rise without running the imminent risk of a significant sell-off brought on by overvaluation, according to the RSI stability. The volume profile indicates that trading activity has increased noticeably during the upswings, suggesting potential accumulation phases and growing investor interest. Since volume frequently moves ahead of price, the increased buying pressure can be a hint of a big price increase. Furthermore, news reports supporting investor sentiment regarding Shiba Inu have been making waves in the cryptocurrency world. There are several encouraging events fueling the enthusiasm, from the token's rising burn rate, which reduces supply to its expanding community, to the potential of Shibarium Shiba's blockchain. If Satoshi continues on its current course and the market stays favorable, it might rise by 12% from where it is now. But it's important to keep in mind that meme assets are infamously erratic. Even though the indicators are encouraging, proceed cautiously when handling the asset and stay tuned for our disclosure of additional Shiba Inu coin developments and their implications for the project's short and long-term worth. Now for the major narrative of today's video. What role does PayPal play in Shiba Inu? After initially being largely anti-crypto, PayPal appears to have had a change of heart over their position on the market. PayPal has shifted its strategy and begun to adopt a highly pro-crypto strategy. This is what the senior vice president of PayPal has to say about cryptocurrencies and the company. Again, it is clear that we are a payments organization. Digital currencies also pique our curiosity. We firmly think that we are capable of revolutionizing the payment ecosystem. You simply cannot accomplish things using the primitives of the technology in terms of transaction costs, settlement times, and token programmability. These are things that could only be accomplished with traditional payment rates. Additionally, it is a strategic move for us. We wish to participate in it as well. Furthermore, we believe that the revolution will not occur suddenly. There are presently about 120 billion stablecoins in circulation, according to data on coin volume. They use the cryptocurrency ecosystem primarily. There are 3 use cases as well, and we believe that this will hold true for a while. It is quite strategic when it comes to some emergencies in particular verticals, such as video games or remittances. For us, the primitives appeal to us. We appreciate that using money now allows you to do things you couldn't do in the past. It's also a clear strategic technology for us. Interestingly, he also had a lot to say about the cryptocurrency gaming market, which Shiba Inu is a part of because of the Shiba Eternity game. What he had was this: to express my keen interest in the video game industry in exchange for money. When video games are considered, they are often written off as being exclusively for a younger audience by outside observers. Upon closer inspection, the demographic of video games closely resembles that of the whole populace. This is a very big industry with very strict and demanding computing specifications. Solving millions of concurrent users in instantaneously generated settings is an extremely challenging computing challenge if you think of it in terms of challenging technological problems. Additionally, a lot of computer innovations occur in video games initially, and I believe that this trend will continue with many improvements and payments occurring there first. Stable coins have the potential to enable payment use cases that are currently unfeasible, such as streaming payments. For example, could you pay for a video clip you're watching by the second or minute instead of paying for the entire thing, or could you purchase goods in-game and carry them with you? In my opinion, there have been some really fascinating trials where non-playing characters, or NPCs, have AI agents inside of them once more. You carry a value with it and attach it to your wallet. Subsequently, that internal autonomous agent might once more walk inside and acquire and sell items. Once more, you are unable to consider those things. What are the use cases if you're attempting to figure things out on a whiteboard? All you have to do is release a platform product, and developers will continue to build upon it. Finally, he touches on the significance of stable currency for the sector. Given that the Shield team is now developing a stable coin for the ecosystem, this is really intriguing. However, here is what he said on coins that are crypto stable. We really believe that they will be included into the revolutionary blockchain application soon. We are a payments company, of course. Technologies with the potential to change the payment landscape and their inherent benefits in terms of cost and programmability pique our interest. Furthermore, we cannot ignore the settlement time of stable coins because institutional interest in and desire for more tokens in this market are evident. Additionally, we can observe that regulations are progressing. Thus, the timing of these factors might be ideal. What does all of this have to do with Shiba Inu, you ask? Well, PayPal's significant involvement in the cryptocurrency space will draw in more users, which will raise the market's value. However, projects are presently being erected on Nuestro and Shiba. Shibarium accepts PayPal as a form of payment. The center exchange was constructed by Shibarium. You can now purchase and sell Bull Shibarium on Marswap by using PayPal and a bank card. Decentralized exchange and DeFi platform built on Shibarium. With the integration of an on-off ramp function, Marswap has made it possible for investors to buy Shiba Inu network tokens with PayPal and a bank card. In a recent post on X, the Marswap team revealed the development. Notably, CEOs showed off this new capacity in a live broadcast on the project's community Telegram group, as reported by the team in March. During the show, he used his bank card to successfully buy Bone tokens on the Shibarium network. He later sold the tokens back to Feed and had them sent to his PayPal account. These trades were all completed via the Marswap. Interestingly, the Marswap team had previously said that they plan to incorporate this function as the first on-off ramp protocol specifically designed for the Shibarium network. They mentioned that there would be no need for laborious KYC requirements, and the process would be smooth. To put things in perspective, an off-ramp protocol enables people to sell their assets for fiat, while an on-ramp feature assists market participants in buying crypto assets with fiat. For the developing Layer 2 protocol, the launch of an off-ramp service for Shibarium is a crucial step. The primary developer is among the prominent members of the Shiba Inu community who have expressed interest in the novel feature. Kusama expressed delight by responding to the Marswap team's announcement on Instagram with a straightforward heart on fire emoji. Remarkably, a cursory glance at the Marsal platform shows that the PayPal payment option has already been implemented by the development team. Anyone who wants to use the service has to go to the Marsal platform's official website. To purchase a bone, enter its USD equivalent and adhere to the on-screen instructions. More Marshes kept the assistance going. As Shibarium-based DX, Morris Waffle made his debut earlier this year, serving a variety of decentralized offerings such as NFTs, staking gaming, and token exchanges. The project burns sand with 2% of its energy to maintain the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The Crypto Basics revealed in August that since the project's inception, $4.5 billion have been lost on each transaction. Remarkably, in a revelation from last month, The team stated that they have surpassed the 7 billion Shiba Inu burn level. Uzama reaffirmed his faith in the Marswap CEOs in the midst of the unwavering support. While discussing his thoughts on the platform in response to a question on the Shibarium Telegram channel, he urged investors to always do adequate due diligence because one of the major initiatives on Shibarium Marswap will have an effect on the Layer 2 network. Since the on-off ramp feature relieves the burden of having to buy the asset, it may increase demand for Bone Shibarium's gas tokens. The top TX is Marswap. In all, Shibarium has $341,350. Many of our subscribers mention in Total Value Locked that they will not be selling Shib for the next 5 years, and will instead retain millions of them because they trust your developers and the true worth of Shib. What number of ones do you guys have? Remember to include a list of your Shib holdings in the box below. Let's give the Shib holder credit for having faith in and trusting the procedure. Please give the video a massive thumbs up if you're enjoying it. Make sure to turn on the postman alerts to be notified whenever we upload a new video, and subscribe to the channel to share your opinions with us about the Shiba Inu token in the comments section.